Weche mag moko wayudo kanyo ni kamisona mano mabende ochung'ne duola mano mar kedo kod mibadhi e pacho kae EACC mano Laktar Cecilia Mutuku sani to koro nyiso luoro mare kotenore kod medruok mago mag cases mag mibadhi e pacho kae ka bende mane oyangore ka otenore kod nonro mano mabende ne otim higa 2024 kane oloso e weche makamagi ne okoni nonro no yango ni migao mano mar thieth sani mibadhi ogoe tach gi atamalo 45.1 ka iluwe kod migao no mano mar wuoth mabende nitiere kod atamalo 9.1 kaachiel kod migao mano mar pur mabende ochung'e atamalo 7.9 kaluwore kod Lipot mane onyisi kata oyangi odiochieng' ma kawuono no yango ni kaunti mano ma Homa Bay machal ka gima mibadhi ogoe tach gi atamalo 80.7 ka bende cases mago mag mibadhi mayudore kaunti mano ma Homa Bay kono ochung'e 12,381 duto te.
Services, even drugs, without parting with anything. So the survey, especially the one by UNODC, will give you great insights. It's on the website on how Kenyans are experiencing quite a big problem in accessing health services in our nation. And we want to partner with the counties and different institutions to create awareness on preventive measures. Today, we have come to launch CPCs, which is a Corruption Prevention Committee. And as the governor has said, at the county level, the chair is the accounting officer, who is the governor, and the members are the CEC members. And we hope in this journey, this is the 8th county we are going to this season. We have been to 7 others. Last year we went to 6 others. And we hope one time to go to all the counties so that they establish strong preventive mechanisms among themselves. EACC cannot prevent corruption alone. We work together with our partners. We are at Homa Bay County to establish CECs. And after that, that is Corruption Prevention Committees. After that, we will train relevant members of staff in the counties so that they streamline prevention at the county level.
Issues on how to effectively prevent corruption by putting in place robust governance frameworks and prevention measures so that we can see to it that the public resources that we receive as a county are utilized to the best interest of the people. I'm happy to report that from the report that has been given that EACC had from 2017, the county government of Homa Bay has made a lot of progress in putting in place structures that ensure corruption prevention. We now have a fully fledged audit committee. We have ensured digitization of our revenue systems to prevent corruption. In terms of HR, we have completed and concluded and operationalized our HR manual and staff establishment, and also our disciplinary mechanisms. Here we have discussed how we will partner even more strongly with EACC and our local law enforcement agencies here